everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the strings in Java. We are going to learn about the features of string, learn about the methods of the string class. We are going to try out many different examples, and last but not the least, we have a question answer session in our next video. After watching this video, please do go and watch it. You will really enjoy it. It is a very interesting segment. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about strings in Java. Now in this line, I have printed a piece of text that is Hello Java. This Hello Java contains characters. H is a character, J is a character, A is a character. It is a combination of characters. This combination of characters, this piece of text, it is a string literal. Now let's see how to declare a string. First we are going to write string. String falls under java.language package. Okay, next we have to write the name of the variable. I'll give it text. After that, we need to use a keyword. The keyword is new. We use this keyword new for any reference type to differentiate it from primitive type. In primitive type, do we use new, integer, new, boolean? No, right? We use this in reference types to differentiate it from primitive types. Now, after new, we are going to write string, and inside these parentheses, we are going to place our string literal. Alright, after that semicolon. Done. Now when we print text and run the program, we get Hello Java. Now let me tell you one thing. When we declare a string, instead of using the new keyword, we can only write the string literal. It will not create an error. We use this reference type very often while doing stuff in Java. So instead of writing this new string parenthesis under it, we have to write the string literal. Instead of doing all this hard work, we can do it in a shortcut way. What shortcut way? Omit this new string. Alright, we can also omit the parenthesis. Like this also we can write. It is a shortcut way. If now when we print it, it will come Hello Java. There is no difference. It's just a shortcut way. Now we will learn a term called concatenation. We have another string over here, that is end. These are two exclamation marks. Now instead of text over here, I will write text plus end. This is called concatenation. Concatenation of two strings. Concatenation of Hello Java and exclamation marks. Let's see what is the result when we print it. I hope you can see text plus end. What is text? It is Hello Java. What is end? Those two exclamation marks. When we concatenate them, this is the result we get. Now as you know that string is a reference type in Java, it will carry methods. String has many different methods. I will show you some methods. It is not possible to cover all the methods of string in this tutorial. Otherwise, this will become way too long. I'll show you some useful methods which are very commonly used and you will need them further. We are going to see the methods of string text. So we are going to write text and we are going to use the dot operator to call the methods. So what is the first method that we are going to see? Length. Now we are going to print and run the program. It comes 10. Let me explain what is this method. Length prints the number of characters in the string. Now Hello Java, see. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Space is also a character, okay. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters. So in total there are 10 characters in the string text. So when we use this method, we can get the number of characters in the string. So over here, as you can see, I have changed the value of text from Hello Java to mathematics. And the method that we are going to see right now is index of. we have to enter a character inside this parenthesis. Let me enter A. Okay, and we'll run the program. It comes 1. So what is index of? Index of is a method of string in Java where we enter a character and it tells the position of that character in the particular string. Now as we had entered A, let's find the A in mathematics. And let me tell you, the counting starts from 0 and not from 1. M stands for 0, A stands for 1. And so it prints 1 in the console. Okay? So you might tell me now that why does it only print 1 and not 6 then? Because there are 2 A's over here. So I will tell you that it picks the first A, not the things that are after it. So you might tell me, so what if I want to print the A that is after this A? Let me tell you the solution for it. So you can see it prints integer values. We will declare an integer first index of A and we'll give it the value of text dot index of A. If I print first index of A and I run the program, the value will come 1. Now this is printing the first A itself. What about the second A? Let me show you. We'll declare another integer second index of A. Okay, and we'll give it the value of text dot index of A, comma, and after the comma we will write first index of A plus 1. So now I have printed second index of A and I've got the value 6. Let me explain you the thing. Integer first index of A. This tells us the position of A. A means this A, first A, that is 1. Then what about the second index of A? This integer second index of A tells us that first index of A, that means this particular A, plus 1, that means from T. So this tells from index of T, I will start searching for the second A. It keeps on searching, H comes, E comes, M comes, and after that A comes. And if you count properly, the position of this particular A is 6. That's why it has printed 6. As simple as that. Now the method that we are going to search for is text dot to lowercase. When we print it, everything will be in lowercase. This first M is capitalized though. When we use this method to lowercase, everything will be converted to lowercase. When we use to uppercase, everything gets reversed. Everything will change to uppercase. See, mathematics changed to uppercase. Now the thing that we are going to see is character add. This one. We are needed to put the position, let's say 3. We'll run the program now. H. Let me explain what happens. Character add is a method in which we have to enter the position and it will tell the character that is present in that position. Here we have entered 3 and it tells us that H is the character that is present in this position 3. Let's mark it 0, 1, 2, 3. So in position 3 it is H. Next one is replace. We are needed to put the character first. Let's say that is A. After that we'll give a comma and after that we are needed to give another character. I will give an exclamation mark. Let's print it. Let's run the program. Something weird, but let's understand it. So here I have written that I will replace A with exclamation mark. The old character, this parameter, these two are parameters, okay? Old character and new character are parameters. Old character parameter states that you give the old character here that you want to replace. I want to replace A, so I have written A over here. And what is the new character? What do you want to replace A with? I have given exclamation mark. A and exclamation mark are arguments over here. So it has found the a's over here. One a is over here, another a is over here. What it has done is it has replaced them with exclamations. Now next one is going to be very short. Okay, let me put some spaces over here, one over here. Mathematics sounds weird, but okay. Text dot trim. Trim is the new method that we are going to see now. Let's run the program. So what does trim do? It removes the spaces before mathem and after attics. Okay, but it does not do any work between what is written over here. It did not remove this space. It removed the spaces that was after attics and before mathem. Now I will print text over here, and I want you to notice something. Okay, so you can notice that in the first one where we have used the method, it is removing those white spaces before mathem and after attics, right? But in the second one you can see the actual pace of string text. Okay, we had assigned this huge thing over here, and when we print text, this huge thing only appears. So what we can conclude is methods do not change the string. It just creates a new string. There will be no effect in the actual string. Okay, so we can conclude that strings in Java are immutable. We cannot mutate them or we cannot change them. I hope you have understood what is string and all the methods that I've explained. Have a great day ahead. Keep learning, keep practicing. Till then, bye bye.